welcome back to my channel. This is Sanskruti, and as you know, I am doing my December special month, my birthday month video right now. So I am uploading videos on alternative days throughout this December month. And as I said in my previous videos that I'm going to do an pack try on plus one run kind of a tutorial in my channel. So here I comes with it. So I am in my bare face right now. So let's get started. Put all the product in my skin and see how it works. Don't have any brow product from Pack Cosmetics. So I recently bought this L'Oreal Paris Brow Pro Matte. So I'm going to use it off camera and I will be right back. I'm going to use one of the Pack Cosmetics moisturizer. This is the moisture lotion. This is the before makeup moisture lotion, and this is the lightful moisturizer cream. My skin is now a desert dry, so I'm going to try this out because I heard a lot of good things about this moisturizer. So let's get started and try this out. As you know, it looks like this. So I'm going to take and pump some of the product in my palm. Oh wow, it's so nice. And I'm going to warm it a bit in my fingers. I'm going to apply it on my skin. Like this. It is pretty hydrating and smells really nice. It is pretty not that much of thick, but it is full moisturized. It just moisturizes my skin very well. I love it. So now we will going to apply the primer on my T-zone, especially because that is the pore filling primer. I'm talking about this zero pore separation cream. Comes with this type of spatula with it. So we will going to take this out using this spatula and going to use it. It is, I felt like this will be a little hard, but it is very soft, as you can see like butter. So I'm going to take a little, oh that is much. I'm going to apply it on my skin, it out with using my fingers. It blends like very butter in my skin and not feeling too much of greasy that I like. Primer is really very nice. It just melts into my skin so nicely. I can feel the cream, the primer in my skin right now, and just fill my pore like effortlessly, and love it. Do try it. Big thumbs up. I'm using that Pack HD liquid foundation and I'm in the shade 3.0. so let's move and try this out. So I'm going to take 3 pumps of this foundation and just going to dot it out all into my skin. I'm going to use the beauty blender, the classic beauty blender, to blend my foundation. Wet this beauty blender to use it on my skin. So let's move and use this, and I think it is pretty soft to the skin. So let's blend the foundation. You can see this side of my face. I completely blend this foundation into my skin, and it feels really very not very matte, but matte, a little bit of dewiness in the skin. It is medium coverage, but you can make it high coverage by building this, and it just blends like magic in the skin. So I love it. So I'm going to blend the foundation in this side of my face and I will be right. As you can see, I completely blend the foundation and I love how it turns out in my skin. Very natural, dewy plus matte, perfect. I love this foundation. I'm not going to set it with powder because I'm not going to use any concealer in my face because I think I don't need concealer right now. So let's move to the next product. I have two of their kohl pencil. One is in navy blue and one is in the black. So I will going to do an eye makeup look using only these two, because currently I have these two products from their brand.
I will start putting the color into my eyelid, and I will going to put and apply the color into all over my lid, and so that it covers my entire lid and get that smoky effect with this navy blue color. So I am doing that, and I'm going to dot it properly, and then taking a eyeshadow brush, I'm going to blend it properly, also to ensure that there are no harsh line will be there, and properly when it will blend it will look really nice. So take your time to blend it. So I'm blending it by taking my time into it. So yes, this is what it will turns out, and one eye is done. I will be back with another eye, and this is what it turns out.
Black kohl pencils. I'm going to fill up my lower eyelid with these and smudge it out a little bit, and I will show you how I will do it. Guys, my eye makeup is ready. So guys, my eye makeup is ready. As you can see, I created this green, blue, black smoky eye, and I have these eyelashes from their brand. This is the tapered lashes, as well as I have the glue, but I'm not going to use these two because my eye are not well right now, so I'm not going to use this. So guys, I do not have the rest of the face product from Pack Cosmetic, so I'm going to use my regular, my another brand, and I will be right back. And about this eye pencil, these are really very intensely pigmented. I love the formula, and they just blend like a very good manner, and it just easily blended. It just easily blend in my skin, so I love the fact that it is easily blend in the skin. So guys, moving to the lip makeup, I'm going to use their lip liner in the same brown to earth. This is a very nude brown maroon kind of color. These are not that easy to blend in the lips. So guys, as you can see, this lip liner is not that pigmented. I do not like it is drying in my lips, so I'm not going to like this, or this is not my cult favorite or anything from Pack Cosmetics. Last but not the least, I'm going to fix my makeup using that instant fixation Prep Plus Prime. I must say this fix is very micro finish, and it just sprays very quickly and very fine. And yes, I love the fixation. I don't know the lasting power because I am trying it in the camera directly, so that's why I don't know, but it just mix and match my whole makeup completely, and I love how it's turning out. So guys, this is my makeup. This is my one brand tutorial, the Pack product that I have currently and what I made myself by using it, and I'm experiencing my own. So I'm sharing with you my own experience directly on my camera. I like all the Pack product, especially the base makeup, the primer, the moisture lotion and the foundation. These three combination is just amazing and very charm. My skin looks very fresh and very flawless right now. And yes, I love all the product, and if you want to get all the product, I will going to link it in my description box. I got it from Amazon and some from Nykaa, and I will be right back so I will be right back. Till then, see you soon on my next video. This is Sanskruti signing up. Mwah. Bye.